This is Jim with Land Cruiser Restorations. I want to shoot a quick video of this 97 80 series Land Cruiser. We don't do a lot of these, but we really enjoy it when we do. This one is done in the deep forest green. Got a good personality to it. Really like it, the way it turned out. We try to pay a lot of attention to detail. You know the old saying, the devil's in the details. This one we've added our roof rack as well as our rock sliders. These are the new stock rims for the 80 series. This restoration was not a complete restoration. We did the body and the paint work. It required a lot of body work to it. It comes from Illinois. We did do some interior work. We redid the seats in leather. Some other minor things on the inside, plastic clips, miscellaneous. Let me take a moment to show the interior on this one. As with most Land Cruisers, the first thing to go is the driver's seat. This one was no exception. It's done in the light tan leather. Also the matching pad for the center console. This is a nice cruiser. As with any Land Cruiser, if you're thinking about a restoration, consider us for the job. We restore all Land Cruisers, irregardless of the series. So give me a shout at 316-992-5986 or visit our website, Land Cruiser Restorations. Also check out YouTube. We have like 100 videos on YouTube. That might spark some ideas and some interest. Give me a shout. We can talk about the details. Maybe I can make some recommendations, give you some guidance. We also have a few postings over on Facebook. So check it out. Give me a call. I'd appreciate it. Thank you.